Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable HyperOS 3 vertical clock and AOD on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, before start, first disable your system lock screen like this. Simply set transparency, low transparency and disable your system lock screen, and also disable your system AOD. Now look at this, I disable system lock screen and AOD. Now you have to download these both apps on your Galaxy device. These both apps direct Play Store link available on description. Okay, first set vertical AOD clock like HyperOS 3. Simply set some permission. Now look at this, many beautiful clocks, AOD clocks available on this app. Simply set this HyperOS style AOD clock, apply, and look at this vertical AOD clock enable on my Galaxy device. Now let me show you how to set vertical clock on your lock screen like HyperOS 3. Then simply open this app and look at these many beautiful depth clocks with beautiful wallpapers on this app. Look at these horizontal and vertical both clocks available on this app. Guys, simply select vertical clock wallpaper, find and select vertical clock. Look at this like this. Okay, look at this. I choose this clock. Remember guys, select edit depth wallpaper, and now you require some settings for match this clock with your AOD. So look at this, many settings available on this app. Simply go to basic and select clock format 12 hour. Now scroll, select clock font, historic clock font, find, look at this historic clock font. Now set font size 52. Now go to position and set vertical position 65 and clock spacing 0.82. And letter spacing 0.02. And guys, multi-line spacing set 0.75. And last, go to transform and set horizontal stretch. Look at this 1.75. Sorry, 1.15. Look at this 1.15 and simply tap on done button. And guys, remember, set this wallpaper home screen and lock screen, because if you only set this clock on lock screen, then sometimes this clock not apply on your lock screen. Then remember, set home screen and lock screen. And look at this clock apply on my home screen and lock screen, and HyperOS 3 style AOD and clock enable on your Galaxy device. Look at this. This is really awesome, right? Guys, you set many beautiful clocks with this clock setting. Okay, let me show you another clock. Simply find look at this. Simply set same settings with this clock. Okay, remember set historic font size 52, go to position, set vertical position 65, set clock spacing 0.82, letter spacing 0.02 and multiple line spacing 0.75. Select transform and set horizontal stem 1.15. Now look at this. HyperOS 3 style depth clock, depth vertical clock enable on your Galaxy device. So guys, you also set this depth clock on your Galaxy devices and this is absolutely free. Guys, if you want to set another home screen wallpaper, then simply go to gallery and set wallpaper only on home screen. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.